Welcome back to the channel, guys. Second video of the week is Chainlink, ticker code LINK. This is a crypto that a lot of people love. It has great fundamentals and has been around for a while. And it's one that gets tossed around a lot from a lot of major YouTubers out there. Oh, Chainlink, Chainlink this, Chainlink this. It has a pretty catchy name and it does have a pretty good use case in its Oracle network. Now, I'm not here to talk about its fundamentals. I'm more of a chart guy. It's what's worked for me and that's what I do on this channel. So if you like altcoins in an honest format using technical analysis, that's what I do on this channel. And I have been pretty good at calling most good cryptos, and that is because I have a good fundamental knowledge of what I need to do with my technical analysis, which is I look for really strong cryptos that have moved already. If they have moved already by a substantial margin, those are the cryptos you want going into the bull market. Now, it's up to you if you want to think we're in a bull market or not with crypto. That doesn't matter. My point is that we still have a lot left to move with crypto, and interest rates haven't even begun to be cut yet. And so the next bull run is definitely gearing up, or if you think we're in a bull run, it's going to get even more crazy or more beneficial. So you want to load up on the good cryptos that have launched already and showing good promise. And I do have multiple videos talking about multiple cryptos that I really believe in. So we're going to cover Chainlink. I'm going to cover it against its BTC value, its Ethereum value, some price predictions, stop losses, and where I think it's going in terms of its market cap as well. So let's have a look at Chainlink. Chainlink has been going sideways for quite some time. And if you actually look at Ethereum has a very similar chart to this, which is good. You want a chart to be at least equal to or better than Ethereum and Bitcoin. And so what are some of the things that we're looking for here? Well, basically you have your churn phase going from June 2022, which is really good because basically you're going sideways for effectively basically a year and a half. So October 2023 or October 25th, 2023, you have a break of that basic high that we put in a year and a half later or before. And that's a really good sideways action because it's showing you good strength, good momentum coming out. And if you look at the break where we broke $9.60, call it, you came up on good volume. This candle here on good volume. So it's showing an effort by the whales because they really like this crypto. Why do they like this crypto? We don't know. Chainlink had a tough time last bull run, but this time it's looking like a pretty good one. Low coming in June 23. So we're in February 24 now. And so we basically have close to 7-ish months of this low being put in at $4.78. How do we know that's the low at the time? You don't. And you're really waiting for this area here. And October, it comes out and it breaks. A lot of altcoins, they do this. They break and then they dump back down and it goes back to that low that you put in 2022. If your crypto is around 2022 or 2023 lows in that churn phase, you have a weak crypto. Most cryptos are like that. You don't need a bunch of altcoins, guys. You just really need 3 to 4 really good, high quality, good altcoins stacked up with ETH or Bitcoin. I'm a firm believer you don't need Bitcoin and ETH because you're just diversifying a little bit too much in my opinion. ETH and Bitcoin, you just need one or the other unless you literally have like $500,000 or $300,000 and you want to actually just diversify because you've just got that much money, you'll feel a 10% loss. But for the majority of people, you just need one or the other. They are very similar. ETH is my personal favorite over BTC, but that's a video for another day. A lot of people don't care about Ethereum. We're here to talk about Chainlink. And so you have a break of this $9.60 mark. And so you continue to go up and you end up really never even coming back to test this area, which is another really bullish trend. So you never even come back to test. So there's your break. You could say you test the next day, but you never come back to test several weeks later at this region. You don't come back to test. And that's an effort because they know prices are going higher and prices do go higher. You actually start getting the high of $16, which is right here. And so you can see it gets blocked a few times. You can see there's the tie, rejected, rejected, rejected. And this time good volume. This time wants to go up higher. And what I really love about Chainlink is actually this candle here. So it's a Sunday in Australia as I'm recording this and the weekly chart is about to close. This is the last day before the weekly close comes out, but this is a really good weekly candle. You're getting some low selling days showing that we want price to continue. February 24th, you can see attempted sell-off comes into the market and basically does not want to go down. And so that's this candle here, okay? Which is really good. And so prices will continue to go up. I've drawn my trend line and you can see it opens up, bounces off it beautifully. And so definitely you will experience prices going up from here on out. I've said it multiple videos now, American stock market, all-time high. It does want to continue to go higher. Mark your words, guys. Anyone who is bearish right now, I strongly disagree with them. So where can Chainlink go? Well, if we go on a weekly chart, the good thing is we have some easy areas of price predictions to come from. And so definitely $28 is in the realm of possibility for Chainlink. So currently sitting at $19, that's US, and blue line is definitely going to be an area of resistance coming forward. So if we have a look at our ruler and we have a look, that's about a 50% increase from where it is now, which is pretty good. Then next areas of resistance will definitely be at the $34 range. And then we have, of course, $40. And it wouldn't surprise me if this thing touches the all-time high. And so the all-time high is around $52 US, I believe. Yep, $52 on the Binance exchange. So this thing has a lot left to go. I did a video on Chainlink not too long ago, and I said this would be a very good long-term hold, and so that prediction has turned out to be true. Now, not all altcoins have been doing this. I want to stress that. You might think, oh, crypto's been going up, it's easy to pick an altcoin, you can put your money on anything. No, there are some very bad altcoins that will continue to dip and do underperform compared to the market. So I don't cover them because people really don't like it when you say their crypto is not that good, but Chainlink is one of the more better ones. Now, let's have a look at Chainlink's market cap. Market capitalization is a fantastic way to look at the strength of a crypto because you're effectively comparing it to the whole market, stable coins included. And it's really, really good when you get a good market cap indicator. So there again, very similar. There's your break in October, comes up on high volume, continues to go. This is your churn phase, and we've recently just pushed through it because it wants to go higher and obtain more market cap. So it's outperforming the whole market pretty easily, and trends can go on longer than you think. And so if the trend is telling you to go up, you should go with the trend until you start to get obvious signs that, okay, we're running out of steam. But for now, it's the opposite. This is really bullish once you start getting this behavior. And so you just had your churn phase and you cut through it on good volume. And so this thing definitely wants to continue to go up. And if we have a look at Chainlink against its against its Ethereum on the Binance exchange. Again, Ethereum is a very, very good crypto. It's one of my favorites. It is my favorite. It's my biggest holding by far. But Chainlink, for now, outperforming Ethereum. And so you can see more support coming against its ETH value, I should say. And so there again, very quick, good burst last week. So last week was a really good indicator for Chainlink. And so some good support coming to it against its ETH value to continue to go up. But ETH is a very, very, very strong crypto. And you can see it's red at the moment because ETH's doing pretty well at the moment. And that's giving you an indicator that the alts are ready to rally. And if we have a look at Link against its BTC value, similar to ETH, but slightly maybe worse depending on your take. So if we draw a few percent, and you can see again, there it is, a little bit of a sell-off, but still doing very well because the whole market is moving at the moment. So it's losing a little bit for this week, but in general, it's outperforming the majority of the market. And so we will see how that goes. Lastly, where don't we want to see Chainlink going for your stop losses, not financial advice? You really don't want to see this thing breaking the $16 mark because that was area of support or resistance, and now it will be there. So basically those areas here. So you don't want it breaking this area. And when I say break, I mean a close below. You don't want to close. You want to close under here anyway. Okay? This is your no zone to close. If a wick comes, it's just an attempted sell-off to buy more, and the whales are trying to do that to shake you out of your position. But at the moment, Chainlink is doing fantastic. It's a really, really good crypto to be holding on for the next bull run. Again, guys, I only recommend good cryptos on my channel. I really believe them, and I believe them with all my heart. And sometimes I do actually put my money on my own things at this one. I've got real life stuff happening every day. I've got bills and things due, so I do manage my money carefully. But this is one that I wholeheartedly believe in. It's not just saying that for the YouTube algorithm. I genuinely believe in this one, and so far it's been proven to be right. And this is one of your strongest cryptos that you can have going into the bull run. But still have your stop losses in place, still have your chart, if you look at charts, open, and just have a look at Chainlink every day or every week. Just making sure that there's not high sell-off, because that's one thing that can happen with crypto. All it takes is one bad day and everything just changes, or one good day and things can continue to go up. So just be alert for that. But the stock market is really your guide. I'm gonna do another video talking about another crypto. So if you want more altcoin reviews, consider subscribing. But until then, everyone, I will catch you on the next video.